Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to discuss about, is it YouTube already beat Google on searching? Actually, I didn't Google. I didn't googling before I take this video, but for myself, I much more prefer search what my problem on YouTube rather on Google, because right now Google so many junk website out there, so many junk articles not solving my problems. That's it. But today's Google launched a Gemini. So when you googling, for instance, let's try how to make money. Gemini will answer me. See, this is the AI overview, this is the Gemini feature. But if I scroll down, these website, Quora, Google Help, Shopify, I would say there are junk articles. Okay, the articles in the long format, very blah blah blah, very not right to the points. I'm not really like to googling right now, but now Google launched a Gemini a little bit better, but still I'm really love googling by myself, googling on YouTube, searching on YouTube, searching to solve my problem, whatever it is, about my business, about the tutorial of something, about troubleshooting of my laptop. I much prefer on YouTube rather than googling. And the second thing, the ChatGPT. What about ChatGPT? Is ChatGPT already beaten Google? Absolutely. But what if we compare between YouTube and ChatGPT? For me, I oftenly start to solving my problem to ChatGPT first, but sometimes, or often, I think sometimes I need videos. I need visualization. For instance, I think 7 days ago, maybe 7 days ago, my laptop didn't charge. If I ask ChatGPT, they will not serve a illustration how to solve the cables and how to solve the whatever the on the software settings, on the preset settings. ChatGPT will not provide that information. They only text basis AI. So I go to YouTube and I could solve my problem, since someone or somebody already make the videos how to solve the problem, how to check on the software issues, or the cables, and so on and so on. YouTube still better than ChatGPT in terms of problem solving. So that's why you have to start your own YouTube channels, like me, like this video, like this channel. I'm starting my own YouTube channel, trying to get money, of course. Absolutely, obviously. And yeah, I'm nobody, and on this video I trying to get money. You see my video and people put ads on my video, then I got money. So YouTube still have a bright future rather than you creating articles. And don't worry about ChatGPT, since ChatGPT right now still text basis, not video basis or not picture basis. That's it, this video. I hope you can get insight from this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.